What's up, y'all? Today we're out in Las Vegas on the Strip checking out the Cosmopolitan. We are here because there is a secret pizza joint out here that is quite literally called Secret Pizza. And I've heard about this place 3 different times now in the last couple of months, so I figure it is time to check it out. So what's great about the Cosmopolitan is that it's one of the newer resorts, so it's just shiny new and very cool. And as you can see, we went the wrong way. This is not the way to go to Secret Pizza. But their shopping complex here has a lot of great eats, a lot of great things to shop, just a cool, modern, contemporary vibe. You know what I'm saying? It's very New York cool kind of vibe. Just a beautiful hotel. So definitely recommend coming out here to check it out. Just, you won't see another resort on the Strip that's quite like this. Somewhere around here. So we'll just circle around.
It's here?
Oh, excellent's right here. So it is somewhere around here. So yeah, we ended up wandering around the wrong floor the whole time here at the Cosmo, which is fine because it's actually a lot of fun to explore this place. Really beautiful casino resort here. Wow, look at this lounge here in the middle. That is cool. We're gonna jump in the elevator here. We'll go up one more flight. But you gotta find your way to the 3rd floor in order to find the secret pizza place. All right, now on the 3rd floor, because apparently I guess it wasn't on the 2nd floor. So let's walk around here, see if we can find it. I think what I like about this place is that it's just the vibe. Oh, that's cool. You can reserve a table here and play. And you'll know you're on the 3rd floor because there are a lot less people up here. All right, down this way you have a couple more restaurants, including Red Plate and a jewelry store called Beauty in Essex. I believe it is a speakeasy, so you just have to figure your way in there. But I think we found it. They look like they're all going in a direction with a fervent purpose. Is this it? Wow, even through this long hallway here, y'all, I can smell the pizza. They have all these records on the wall. It's cool. Actually, it's great design. I want to think of something like this and do a wall like this. Because it's useful. You can actually take one of them down and listen to it. This is it. And this is how you find a secret pizza place here. Now this is hands down one of the best pizza joints here in Las Vegas. 4.5 out of 5 stars. Now if you're wondering about the taste, I'd say it's about as close as you can get to New York style pizza out here in the middle of the desert. Thin crust, slight crunch on the outside, but the dough is very buoyant and chewy on the inside. Seriously, it's worth the trek. To it and give me that exaggerated expression. No pressure. All right, y'all. That's a secret pizza place. What I can tell you is, hopefully you're lucky you get here with the line short, because right now, this line is out the door. This goes to show you how popular this steak is. I don't know if there's some event that just wrapped up here and that's why the lines got super long or what. All I know is we came at the right time, y'all.